everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And before I talk about today's topic, big shout out to Alex for leaving such encouraging comments. That means a lot to me. And today I'll be talking about, do you feel disrespected by the people? And this lack of respect leaves you frustrated, low on confidence, you feel anger. So today, please watch the video till end. I'll be talking about 7 golden rules which you can apply and that will help you to gain respect. So today's a respect revolution we'll be talking about with 7 golden rules. And before I do that, press the like button. Of course, press the bell icon so that you know that I'm making some videos and you can watch it. And of course, last but not the least, do subscribe to my channel. And with that, let's get started. So what are we talking today? We are talking about respect revolution, right? Unlocking the 7 golden rules. So welcome to the respect revolution in the world that can sometimes feel divided. Mastering the art of respect is more than important for all us, right? Today we are unlocking the 7 golden rules of respect that will guide you towards becoming true respect master. So the question, like I said, we'll be addressing, do you feel people don't respect you or understand you? So what is the golden rule number 1? The rule number 1 is treat others the way you want to be treated. It's golden rule. We have been taught since childhood and it still holds true. Make a conscious effort to show empathy and kindness to everyone you meet. What is the golden number 2? Listen actively. When someone is sharing their thoughts, their experiences, give them your full attention. Truly listening allows for meaningful communication and understanding to blossom. This is a very important one because if you pay attention to what other people are saying, you will be more involved with them, what they're trying to say to you. What is the golden rule number 3? Be open-minded. Embrace diversity and different perspectives. Respect is about accepting and valuing each other's person's unique backgrounds and beliefs. So you have to be an open-minded. You cannot go with a preset in your mind that this is going to be only this way. So always please keep an open mind. What is the golden rule number 4? Practice patience. In a fast-paced world, it's easy to get frustrated by taking a step back, and remaining patient shows respect for others' needs and challenges. Sometimes I find there are some networking groups where I've seen that practicing patience is so good because sometimes people are saying so much about themselves or their work or anything, but you don't have to jump into conversations immediately. You have to show that you're interested, but also at the same time, you can be a little patient and see what the outcome of that whole discussion is going to be. What is the golden rule number 5? Speak with kindness and use your words wisely. Remember, words have power. I keep saying that when I tell you to do affirmations and all, I keep saying that words have power. You have to use them very cautiously. Use them to uplift and encourage others rather than to hurt or belittle them. So whenever you see you have an opportunity in your life that where you can uplift somebody or where you can show some kind of encouragement for whatever they're doing, please do so. That's the minimum thing we can do, right? What is the golden rule number 6? Honor boundaries. Each person has their own limits and personal space. Respecting the boundaries is crucial for maintaining healthy relationships and harmonious society. This one is huge. A lot of people have not learned correctly how to say no to a situation. So if you feel that you don't want to get involved in the person, with the situation, be graceful about it and be polite to say no. Please start practicing this. This is huge. So many of us have not learned it well. So please start practicing where you don't want to participate in any of the situations or with the people. What is the golden rule number 7? Celebrate differences. Our world is a beautiful tapestry of cultures, languages, and traditions. Embrace diversity. Learn from one another, for it is in the differences that we find strength. So let's start Respect Revolution together. By applying these 7 golden rules, we can create a world where respect is the foundation of every relationship and interaction. And here, thank you so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed the 7 golden rules to probably enjoy your respectful nature from others in the future. If you apply them, I can assure you that you will be able to gain a lot of respect, and you will be also able to gain a lot of respect to the people. And with that, I'll be back again with another video on business, life, and coaching tips. And I hope you all have a wonderful day.